Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how joins work in MySQL. As MySQL is the relational database management system, so the one table will be related with another table. So as one table is related with another table, then how we can join that table? To join that table, we require joins. So there are five types of joins available in the MySQL. First one is the inner joint, second one is outer joint, third one is left joint, fourth one is right joint, and fifth one is cross joint. Now let's see how each join will work in MySQL. So you can clearly see here I have two tables available, table 1 and table 2. In my table 1 I have customer ID column and quantity column available. In my table 2 I have price column available and customer ID column is available. You can see in both table customer ID column is same. So with the help of this customer ID column we can use join methods to join these two tables. Now let's see how inner join will work. So in inner join means what? Whenever you require the common records from the both table. Whenever you require common records from the both table, in that case we can go with the inner join. So here you can see in customer ID. Customer ID is common in both. In that customer ID column, which ID is common? So you can see here 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is common in both the table. So that's why in output you will get customer ID 3 and customer ID 4. Related to this customer ID 3 and customer ID 4, quantity and price value will be extracted. So for customer ID 3, you can see the price will be, quantity will be 30, and for customer ID 4, quantity will be 40. That's why here 30 and 40 will come. For customer ID 3, price will be 300, and for customer ID 4, price will be 200. Okay, sorry, for this customer ID 3, price will be 100, and customer ID 4, price will be 200. That's why in output you will get this kind of output, because inner joint will take care about the common records in both the table. Now let's see how outer joint will work. Outer joint will show you all the records from the table 1 and table 2. If matching record will not found, then that particular record will be considered as a null value. So here you can see total how many IDs are available, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you can see 5, 6. So that's why in customer ID table I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all IDs are available. As I told you, outer joint will extract all the records from the table 1 and table 2. That's why all Unix ID will be in my output table. After that you can see for quantity column. For customer ID 1, quantity is available 10. For customer ID 2, quantity is available 20. For customer ID 3, quantity is available 30. For customer ID 4, quantity is available 40. That's why you can see in quantity column 10, 20, 30, 40 will come. For customer ID 5 and 6, quantity is not available. You can see for customer ID 5 and 6, quantity is not available. That's why it will consider as a null value. Similarly for price column. For customer ID 1 and 2, price values are not available. You can see for customer ID 1 and 2, price values are not available. That's why it will be considered as a null value. For customer ID 3, 4, 5, 6, price values are available. That is 100, 200, 300, 400. That's why that record will be faced here. So in outer joint, it will show you all the records. When matching record will not found, then it will consider those record as a null value. Now let's go to the third joint, left joint. In left joint, what happens? Whatever records available in the left table, whatever records available in the left table, it will fetch all the records. So here you can see customer ID and quantity is available in my left table. So customer ID 1, 2, 3, 4 will be in my output. Quantity 10, 20, 30, 40 will be in my output. And from table 2, matching records. You can see for 1 and 2, customer ID 1 and 2, price are not available. That's why it will consider as a null value. And for customer ID 3 and 4, price are available 100 and 200. That's why in output you will get 100 and 200. So in left joint, all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table you will get. Now let's come to right joint. It is exactly opposite of left joint. Okay, in right joint all the records from the right table. So this is my right table. So price, you can see 100, 200, 300, 400 will come here. Customer id 3, 4, 5, 6 will come here. And finally you can see the quantity. Okay, in quantity column, what happened, whichever quantity is common in both. Okay, so here you can see for third, for 3 customer ID, that quantity will be 30, so in output you will get 30. For customer ID 4, quantity will be 40, so it will be 40. For customer ID 5, quantity is not available. You can see for customer ID 5, quantity is not available. That's why it will consider as null. And for 6 also, quantity is not available. That's why it will consider as null. So in this way, joints will work in MySQL. So we will see this practical implementation of joint on MySQL workbench in the next video. Thank you.